Hey guys, back with some more map generation. So in the last video, I said that I wasn't quite happy with the algorithm that I had there. It's this one right here on the screen. It didn't really look great to me. Sometimes there would be like specific islands that I couldn't link properly, and then I would have to actually make a linking algorithm to link all of the rooms together. And while that was doable, overall I didn't quite feel like this was what I wanted from this. So with that in mind, I went and made something new. So the new algorithm that I have right now, let me just do a quick generate here, and okay, so that's it. Let me just modify the camera so that we can see a little better what's happening. That's not the right thing. There we go. So yeah, so the current algorithm is quite different from the other one, and it also, by default, while generating, it makes me have all the links done. And yeah, so let me just do a couple of regens here. There we go. So all of the rooms are by default linked, and I think it's quite a cool pattern. So in this one, I build the first, like the main path that I want the player to have, and from the beginning of the level to the end of the level. And then I kind of make branches along that path. I even have like a pretty cool animation here that basically shows how all of the rooms are created. When the the light flashes red, it means it's trying to generate a room there, but it's overlapping with another, so it has to try again. There we go. And I think I'm much happier with this version than I was with the last. And I can tweak like the probabilities of spawning each room. I can tweak a lot about this, and get like quite a few variants with it. And I think I'm gonna go on this with this algorithm forward, and yeah, see what happens. So next thing that I have in mind is to make this basically in 3D, like an actual map, and those circles are no longer going to be circles, are going to be like potentially walkable terrain for the character. Yeah, we'll see how that goes.